Anyone who buys stuff from stores must have seen barcodes. Barcodes are a visual representation of machine-readable information about the product they are attached to. These info could be the manufacturer name, price, or anything. The point is, it could be either text or numbers, and we can read these info by special barcode readers. And so let's see the tools that help us do the same in Samsung Galaxy. Let's get started. Open the Bixby Vision in your phone to scan the barcode. Once Bixby is open, wait for it to detect the code. Then copy and paste the highlighted number below the code to get the product info. Another way of doing the same would be to click a photo of the barcode, then open the photo, click on the Bixby icon at the top right corner and choose Text, and touch the number below the barcode and copy it. But the problem with Bixby is it works only if you're online and if there is a number below the code. In offline mode, or if you're trying to scan a barcode without any number, then you will have to use a third-party app from the Play Store to copy the barcode number. While a barcode only holds information in the horizontal direction, a QR code holds information in both horizontal and vertical direction. Due to this, a QR code holds much more information than a barcode. To scan the QR codes from your phone, open Camera Settings and turn on Scan QR Codes option. Then open your camera application and scan the QR code and wait for the camera to detect the code. It detects in a few seconds and in most cases displays the web address of that particular product which you could visit and explore more. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.